a massive day here at Pitapuram where we are at. I'm joined by Janasena Party President Pawan Kalyan. Thank you so much for speaking with us. The crowd is eagerly awaiting for you out here. What do you have to say to the public of Pitapuram?
It's my commitment to state and my commitment to the development of Pitapuram. And my commitment to Pitapuram is to make it as a role model constituency. It is it has got a lot of religious significance, and also it has got a lot of, in a way, it is about weavers, it's about farmers, and it is about fishermen. And with the religious, right from Kruta Yuga, there's a lot of temples around here. It can be a devotional hub and religious hub, and there's enough youth out there, there's a lot of Kottapal SEZ is there, but industries are lacking. I want to make sure that industries would come here. A lot of employment would be provided for the youth. That's what I'm saying.
Sir, you believe in Karmanyeva Adhikaraste Ma Phaleshu Kadachana. Do you believe that this is going to be a lesson well taught for the YSRCP in the upcoming election?
You have to say that again in whatever you said in Sanskrit.
Karmanyeva Adhikaraste Ma Phaleshu Kadachana.
Normally what I do for all these years is I do my duty well. I properly do my karma yoga. And definitely for the kind of damage YCP has done for the state, they are going to be the defeating side, and Alliance is the winning side. And it is a sure shot victory for Janasena, and sure shot victory for BJP, sure shot victory for TDP.
You know, you've always stated that Janasena Party has been one who had to lose an arm to, you said Janasena had to lose an arm to gain an entire body. Do you think this sacrifice by Janasena, lose an arm in the long battle to save?
No, it's not necessarily. It is a simple, when you're waging a battle, without any scratches, a battle won't happen. A few scratches will be there. Few dent will be there, but nothing is going to stop in waging this battle and coming out victoriously.
So this Varahi Yatra, it's been a missile for the public. It's an emotion for the public, clearly. Unfortunately, today we're hearing that most likely permissions were not given. What do you have to say?
No. The State Election Commission has given the permission, but I think Mr. Koteswara, who's the Assistant Commissioner, I think he has denied it. I think still, though the Election Commission has given the orders, still I think they're taking to process. I think still they're taking time. Maybe whether it's intentional or unintentional, I don't know. Maybe I'm waiting. But Varahi is in my heart. So it is not the vehicle; it is the energy within the heart. So nothing. It is in the hearts of public. Nothing is going to stop it.
Last and final question to you. What is the message you want to say to Jagan Mohan Reddy, YS Sharmila and their camp?
See, I don't look at as Mr. YS Jagan and Mrs. Sharmila as one unit. Though they come from the same family, they are battling in two different fronts. So I try to skip Mrs. Sharmila. But definitely Congress doesn't have any vote percentage here. The kind of damage Congress has done for the state in bifurcation. And Mr. Jagan has to, only one statement, I say, just bye-bye Jagan. That's all I can say.
All right, thank you so much, sir. That was Pawan Kalyan there, who's ended his massive uproar with just saying one thing, bye-bye Jagan. This is the Varahi Yatra that is being flagged off here by Pawan Kalyan. As you can see, the crowd's going basic over here just to catch a glimpse of their favorite actor and politician Pawan Kalyan. One word that he says, bye-bye Jagan, in the upcoming 2024 elections. With video journalist Damodar, Apurva Jayachandran, India Today.